basically, he was defleeing his friend, now his friend's defleeing him.
I don't know if it's friend or if it's father and son.
Oh yeah, it looks like a young one.
Yeah.
So cute. Why don't we see? Oh, look at mom. Don't go too close to him. Oh, he's too close.
Hello. So we're still trying to work out if we used to be you or you used to be us. Hello.
Are you filming?
Yeah. I am. Oh. Straight down to business.
What's he looking for in there?
You can get your head checked out if you want.
Wow, that's quite sick hair actually.
Look at the sort of attention he's paying. Both hands.
Oh, what did you find? Oh my god.
Fleas and then they eat them. Look.
Oh god.
Right folks, so this is Gibraltar. What is it today? 22nd possibly of April 2014. We've had to unfortunately pay to get up here. 22 ridiculous pounds to see these wild monkeys. And they're busy defleeing each other. And look, that's Africa across there. On the right there is a little bit opening that I think is Atlantic Ocean coming in. All the ferries you see are between Africa and Europe.